Hey guys, before we begin, 82% of people who are currently watching this video are not subscribed. So if that is one of you, consider hitting that subscribe button if you enjoy this content. Guys, we've just opened up a brand new merch store. Link will be in the description. You can cop awesome designs like this. I also want to thank those of you who have supported us via Patreon or become a YouTube member. The support's greatly appreciated, especially during times like these. And hey, don't forget to join our Discord. All links to the parts will be in the description. Enjoy the build. G'day guys, Corey here from Designs by IFR. I'm your Aussie PC builder from Down Under. Today we're working on a PC build inspired by Gundam Ashtray Red Frame. Now I'll be honest with you guys, I had no idea what that actually was. But a little bit of our good friend Google can fix anything. The client has requested a primarily white and red build with black and gold accents. This system is super high-end with an MSI 2080 Ti kicking back and a 3900X to keep it company. So go grab yourself a cold one and some snacks and let's get right into it. So we stripped the case apart, we're going to hit it with a nice red finish. Problem is the black parts, they're all powder coated. So there's lots of little bumps on there. So we're gonna get that nice and smooth by giving every single piece right here a nice wet sand. And then we can prime it, give that primer wet sand, hit it with the red, give it a nice clear finish, and we're good to go. whole thing together. Unfortunately, we really wanted to use this, but the graphics card is so long that the pump's actually blocking one of the power connectors, so we won't be able to use this, unfortunately. However, we did come up with a solution. It's not going to be using this, but we basically grabbed some bits power reservoir holders. We attached them to an EK fan mounting bracket. So we're gonna be able to fit a golden reservoir tube in there. He did want gold accents, so that's what we're gonna have to go with. It's unfortunate because we really did wanna use the bits power plate that we've never used before, so it would have been something a bit different, but yeah, we have to persevere and get on with the job. So we're going with the gold. Let's keep on going.